This is Math Lesson 311. Algebra, add three numbers. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to say, I can group numbers to add three numbers. The problem says, there are 5 flowers on a table. There are 3 flowers on a chair and 3 flowers on the floor. How many flowers are there? So, I'm going to draw a picture and label it to show what I'm doing. And I notice there are 5 flowers on a table, 3 flowers on a chair, and 3 flowers on the floor. So I'm going to write a T for table, a C for CH for chair, and an F for floor. And I'm going to draw my pictures. I know that I have 5 flowers on the table. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know there are 3 flowers on a chair. 1, 2, 3. And another 3 flowers on the floor. And I'm going to figure out how to add them. And I'm going to write a number sentence first. So, I know that I have 6, I don't have 6. I know that I have 5 flowers on the table, plus 3 flowers on the chair, plus 3 flowers on the floor. And we want to know how many flowers there are altogether. So I'm going to look up and I'm going to try to figure out an easy way to add. Well, I see right here between the chair and the floor, I see 3 plus 3 on my number sentence and on my picture. Well, I know what 3 plus 3 is. 3 plus 3 is 6. But I still have to add in the ones on the table. So I need to make sure I add in the ones on the table too. So I still have 5, but now I have 5 plus 6. Oh, well, I know that 5 and 6 are next to each other, so I'm going to split 6 into 5 and 1. It's 5 plus 1, plus my other 5. Well, I know that 5 plus 5 makes a 10, plus 1 more equals 11. So, there are 11 flowers. Now, I need to add it in a different way. So once again, I still have the same picture. I have a T for the table, I have a CH for the chair, and I have an F for the floor. So I'm going to draw my picture. So I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 3 for the chair. 1, 2, 3. And I have 3 for the floor. 1, 2, 3. So I need to add in a different way. So this time I cannot add 3 and 3 because I did it last time. So I want to show a different way that I can add. So I'm going to look at my number sentence and write that down. So it would still be 5 plus 3 plus 3. And this time I'm going to add 5 and 3. So I have 5 and 3 this time. Well, and I know when I have 5 and 3, I can count on. So I can say 5 and count up 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know I have 8 plus my extra 3. So 8 plus 3. Well, I know that to make 8 into a 10, I would need a 2 to make it into a 10, and 3 is really 2 and 1. So I'm going to put my 8 right here. So I can make a 10 with my 8 plus 2 equals 10, plus 1 more equals 11. So still 11 flowers. And we'll put an S at the end of this one for flowers. All right, let's see what's next. So here we have to circle 2 numbers and add them, and we're going to put that in the box over here. And then add our third number. So I'm going to look and I'm going to see, and I love to make a 10. 10 is my easiest number to add from. So I see that I can make a 10. I'm going to circle the 2 numbers that make a 10. 8 and 2. So I know 8 and 2 make 10. So 2 and 8 make 10. But I still have to add this. So I have 8 plus 10. 8 plus 10 is 18. Let's try another one. I'm going to find some numbers that I can add that might make it easy for me to add. Oh, I see I have a 5, but I also know that 2 and 3 make 5. So I'm going to circle my 2 and my 3 because those are the ones I'm going to add first. And 2 and 3 make 5. But remember, we still have to add this 5 to it. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Let's go down here. Is there anything that we can use to either make a 10 or make a double easy? Well, I know that 7 and 3 are 10. So that's my easy one that I know. So I'm going to make a 10 first. But remember, we still have our third number to add. So now I have 6 plus 10. 6 plus 10 is 16. And let's try our last one. I think I can make a 10 with 1 and 9. 1 and 9 make a 10. But don't forget, you still have one more number to add. So 6 plus 10 is 16 also. So remember, making a 10 is a really good way to add, but you can also use, if you can find doubles that you can make to add. That is also a good way. So let's try this. This time we have to figure out which 2 numbers would come over here and what the answer would be. So I have 5. Well, I have a few choices. 5 can be 0 and 5. 5 can be 1 and 4. 5 can be 2 and 3. 5 can be 3 and 2. 5 can be 4 and 1. And 5 can be 5 and 0. So I can use any of these combinations because any of these are equal to 5. So I think today I'm going to use 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 make 5. But remember, we still have to add our third number. 5 plus 6. I know that 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 1 more is 11. So let's try this. I need two numbers that make 10. There are a lot of numbers that make 10. I'll just go over a few of them. You can have 10. An easy one is 5 and 5. 10 can be 9 and 1. 10 can be 7 and 3. 10 can be 6 and 4. And there's other ones, but I'm going to just stop at that. And I think today I'm going to choose 5 and 5. So 5 and 5 are 10. But remember, we have to still add our third number. So we have to add that to 3. So 10 plus 3 is 13. Awesome job learning today.